The facelifted Toyota Corolla Cross has launched in South Africa. Here's a look at pricing for the updated, locally built crossover, which gained fresh exterior styling and more kit. Almost a year ago, the facelifted Toyota Corolla Cross was revealed in Thailand. Now this updated, locally built crossover has finally enjoyed its official market launch in South Africa. Here's a look at range and pricing. As a reminder, the Prospecton-produced Corolla Cross was Mzansi's second best-selling passenger vehicle in 2024, behind only the likewise locally made Volkswagen Polo Vivo, with nearly 222,000 units registered around the country last year. The facelifted portfolio again comprises 7 derivatives, including 4 grades: XI, XS, XR, and GR Sport. As before, the lineup kicks off with the Corolla Cross 1.8 XI, with this entry-level derivative now priced at 414,800 rand, up 6,400 compared with the pre-facelift version. The naturally aspirated 1.8-liter 4-cylinder petrol engine remains, sending unchanged 103 kilowatts and 172 newtons-meter of torque to the front axle via a continuously variable transmission CVT. Next comes the Corolla Cross 1.8 XS at 452,200 rand, followed by the Corolla Cross 1.8 Hybrid XS at 494,400 rand, the one that you are seeing on the screen. Both increases of 8,300 rand compared with the pre-facelift. The latter variant's powertrain likewise carries over unchanged, with this hybrid setup offering a combined system output of 90 kilowatts plus 142 newtons-meter of torque from the petrol motor. The Corolla Cross 1.8 XR now comes in at 501,500 rand, while the Corolla Cross 1.8 GR Sport is pitched at 518,200 rand, the Corolla Cross 1.8 Hybrid XR at 545,200 rand, and the flagship Corolla Cross 1.8 Hybrid GR Sport at 561,700 rand. Interestingly, these 4 derivatives are each up a more significant 18,000 rand compared with the pre-facelift version. So what's new with the facelift? Well, the exterior styling of the GR Sport is unchanged. The other variant all score a revised front end, led by a redesigned grille with a body colored finish and honeycomb pattern. There are also new LED headlamps with sequential indicators for XR and GR Sport variant. The fresh paint colors, including striking desert gold plus oxide bronze. Further updates include an electric tailgate complete with a below bumper kick sensor for hand-free operation, a new 12.3-inch digital multi-information display, and a panoramic view across the range, as well as a reclining function for the rear seat. While the XI uses an 8-inch touchscreen infotainment system, the other variant boasts a 10.1-inch display with wireless Apple CarPlay. The XI derivative now features rear parking sensor with the mid-spec XS trim grade upgrades to front sensors in addition to its existing rear items. Both XS and XR variant comes with leather upholstery available in either a terra rose or black color. The prices include Toyota's 3-year 100,000 kilometer vehicle warranty and a 6 service 90,000 kilometer service plan with intervals of 15,000 kilometers. This is all you can get from Toyota Corolla Cross. Don't forget to subscribe, like, share and comment. Support local YouTube. I will see you next time. Drive safe.